Hey everybody, it's Helen from Autumn Sage Creations. Today I'm going to show you a really quick project with my Christmas Cardinals decoupage paper in the A4 size. I'm just showing you really quick how easy it is to wet tear this hemp paper. And today I'm using an IOD wooden block for this project. For the base, to put the decoupage paper down, I'm going to use Pink Tours Angelic, and then I'm going to use their decoupage medium matte. I really like using a fan brush to spread down the decoupage medium. Also, I like to use saran wrap to help smooth out the wrinkles without tearing the paper. And I just give it a good dry. I'm going to use Peace and some British Grey and the Pink Tour paints to help blend in the edges on this piece onto the wooden block. Just taking it kind of with a stippling dry brush to help make it more organic to blend in. And give it a good dry. So today I wanted the wood to have just a stain, and I couldn't make up my mind, so I painted some samples. Laid them against the frame, and today I went with the black walnut. These are Pink Tour antiquing glazes. They're really easy to use. I use a shop towel. I wipe them on the raw wood and I just go with the grain of the wood. And I did all the sides, inside and out. I left the back blank because maybe later I'll make this a two-sided wall decor. And I mixed Pink Tours Angelic White with DIY Snow Mix, and just to add a little bit of snow here and there, just to give it a more 3D effect. And I just kind of wrapped it up and left it like this. A little woodland Christmas sign. Such an easy thing to do. I hope you guys give it a try. Thanks for watching.